Hey, what's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel, Mikey's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos en mi canal, Mikey's Automotive. Здравствуйте, как дела? Добро пожаловать на мой канал, my ключи автомобильный. So today, you guys, we're going to be working on a universal key for a Mazda CX-5. And we're going to go ahead and start with the Xhorse and go ahead and generate our smart key. We're going to look for our model, our year, and we're going to look for a key. Ok, so vamos a generar una llave para un Mazda CX-5 2018. Vamos a hacer una llave universal de Xhorse y también vamos a hacer una llave universal de Autel. Alright, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and look for a key. It's a 315, okay, frequency key, and it's a 3-button with the electric trunk. So remember that the Xhorse key, you guys, that we need is actually going to be the second to last one. On here, it says that it's a different frequency. We actually need a 315. Okay, but somehow they made a mistake on here. So the second to last one is the one that we should need. The one that I'm generating right now doesn't have a trunk button, all right, you guys? So make sure that you guys select the correct key. Ok, so ahorita estamos generando la llave que ocupamos. La que ocupamos se ocupa con la cajuela de atrás eléctrica. Asegúrense que las llaves universales, inteligentes, tengan una batería. Si no tiene batería dentro de las llaves, no se van a poder generar. Asegúrense que la batería también esté buena. Alright, guys, so I also have an Autel universal key that I want to generate. But for some reason, we couldn't generate it for this video. You guys, I tried replacing the battery. I tried everything, but I guess the key wasn't good itself. So we're going to go to universal key, you guys. We're going to go ahead and accept. We're going to go ahead and look for our model, okay, our make, the year. And meanwhile, this key over here, this universal Xhorse key is generating. We're going to go ahead and try to generate this Autel universal key. But like I said, we weren't successful. Maybe it was a bad key. Okay, we don't know. That's why we probably got it so cheap. So we're going to go to universal key generation. We're going to go ahead and go to Asia. Okay, we're going to go ahead and select Mazda, of course, because it's a Mazda. Okay, and this is a 2018 model. Okay, you guys, so we're going to go to Mazda. We're going to go, you can go by our remotes or you can go type model. So we're going to go to type model CX-5. There's our model that we're looking for. Okay, ahí está nuestro modelo CX-5 2018. And there's all our keys right here. And we actually need our key with our electric trunk. Okay, you guys, and that's our key, 315 frequency. Our FCC matches up. Okay, if you guys are unsure how to look for the FCC, go to UHS, look for the year, the model. Okay, you can go online anywhere and just type in the model, the year of the car, and then put smart key on any search engine. So you're going to see a lot of options for that car year. Just make sure you compare the year and the car. Okay, and compare the next key and make sure they all align and match up and have the same FCC. All right, so most of the time, if your key's not generating, okay, I'll go ahead and turn it a different way or go ahead and lay it flat. As you guys can see, this key has a low battery, but even after replaced it, it still wouldn't generate. So ahorita estamos tratando de generar esta llave de Autel. Ok, los fuimos a llave de generaciones universales, elegimos el modelo, el año y todo, y no tuvimos suerte. Alright guys, so we successfully generated our Xhorse universal key. We're going to press complete. If you want to go ahead and generate another one, put in another one, and press continue. Ok, mi gente, ya estamos en el carro y no pudimos generar la llave de Autel. Nomás esta llave aquí universal de Xhorse fue la única llave que pudimos generar para programar este vehículo. Alright, guys, so we successfully generate Xhorse key. We're going to go to IMMO. Vamos a ir a IMMO. Let's go ahead and program this key, you guys, okay? If you can, go ahead and turn the cluster on. Okay, if you have a key. If you don't have a key, probably turn on the emergency lights so it can wake up the car. Si no tienes llave, prende la luz de emergencia. Si tienes una llave, enciende el tablero. So we're going to go ahead and look for Mazda. Alright, you guys, vamos a ir a buscar a Mazda. Ok, so para la gente que apenas está aprendiendo esto, la llave no está programada todavía. La cosa que se ocupa hacer primero es generar la llave antes de programar la llave del vehículo. Alright, guys, so we're going to go to automatic selection. So it's going to go ahead and automatically select our vehicle for us. We're just going to go ahead and read the VIN. Vamos a seleccionar automática selección. Vamos a leer el VIN. Vamos a oprimir OK. All right, so that's our VIN, you guys. Just make sure you compare it. You'll see the VIN on the side of the door. Okay, just compare it. Ahí está nuestra información de nuestro vehículo. Vamos a oprimir sí. Go ahead and press yes. So we're gonna go to IMMO status scan. Always, when you're using the Autel Im608, always use IMMO status scan, but there's other ways to program the key. Solo vamos a ir a escanear del IMMO y vamos a borrar todos los códigos aquí. Vamos a ir a Quick Erase DTC para borrar todos los códigos que va a tirar. So we're gonna go ahead and erase all the DTCs, you guys, before we program our key, and that's always mandatory when you're doing the IMMO status scan, okay? All right, you guys, in the bottom of the tablet, there's add key, guided, okay? All keys lost, guided. So we're gonna go to add a key, and this is the way you can do it, okay? And it doesn't erase the keys, you guys, so that's something that I do like. Vamos a ir a agregar llave. Vamos a oprimir comenzar. All right, you guys, we're gonna go to program key, add a key. It says this function will not erase existing keys. We're gonna press yes. Ok, so esta función dice que no te va a borrar las llaves. Go ahead and turn the ignition on. Dice que aprendas el encendido, pero no prendas el carro. And it's really easy, you guys. This is the guided option, so it's going ahead and it's doing most of the things for you. It's reading the pin, it's entering the system, and all you gotta do is just press start. And then it's gonna make you wait at least 7-8 minutes. Okay, so it says 7 minutes, so we're gonna wait 7 minutes before we can go ahead and program this key. So it's trying to configure the security system. So ahorita lo que está haciendo está configurando el sistema de seguridad y tenemos que esperar 7 minutos. So esta forma de agregar la llave guiada es bien fácil, te lee el pin, se mete en el sistema, todo lo hace por ti. Tú nomás oprimes comenzar y esperas los 7 minutos. All right, you guys, so we're getting close to our finishing time. Now, when the car is almost close to being ready, okay, for you to program, you're going to hear it honk twice, beep, beep, and that's going to tell you that it's ready, okay, to program the keys. So, antes de terminar, como los 3:80 o 3:80 y algo segundos, va a pitar el carro 2 veces, beep, beep, y te va a decir que ya está listo. All right, so you guys heard the honk. That's what you guys are going to hear. If you guys don't hear that honk, okay, you guys did something wrong. So the car is almost ready to be programmed. So como oyeron ahí, ya pitó el carro 2 veces. Quiere decir el carro ya mero está listo para que programes tu llave inteligente. All right, guys, so we're waiting for the vehicle. And it's almost ready, you guys. Now, the next step that we're going to do is we're going to go, after it's telling us that it's ready for the next step, we're going to press the brake. Okay, and you're going to put the key right next to the button. Don't press the button, just put the key right next to the start button, okay? So it tells us that it has 3 keys in the system, and we're gonna learn the 4th key, okay? So it hasn't learned any key yet, but it's just telling us that that it has 3 keys already. So it says to depress the brake for automatic vehicles, okay? If it's a manual vehicle, go ahead and press the clutch down, okay? So si es un vehículo manual, oprime el clutch. Si es automático, oprime la breca y acerca la llave inteligente al botón, pero no le oprimes. If you guys want to go ahead and program another key, press yes. If you guys don't want to program another key, press no. All right, you guys, for our last step, we're going to go ahead and turn off the vehicle. So turn off, push the button, turn it off. And then the last step, go ahead and press the brake. And with the smart key, press the button. Okay, so you're able to start the car. Okay, and then turn off the car and go ahead and try out your key and make sure that it works. Okay, you guys. Para nuestro último paso, vamos a oprimir la breca y vamos a encender el carro. Pero la forma que vamos a encender el carro, vamos a oprimir la breca y con la llave inteligente vas a puchar el botón para que encienda y ya puedes apagar el carro y calar tu llave. Asegúrate que sirva bien. All right, you guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys have any questions, don't forget to join and become members, okay, to our members only. We do give away prizes every 15th of the month to any lucky person that's members, okay, that's part of our member group, okay. Gracias a todos. Si te gustó este video, dale un like, suscríbete a mi canal y no te olvides de unirte a nuestros miembros. Gracias.